Hello guys, we are playing Bed Wars today. Oh shoot, no, bro. I was literally gonna do a 30v30, bro. Go here, then this, Bed Wars, then what time is it? Ooh, 3:21. 30v30, there it is. I haven't played this game for a long time too. Like I only played this for like a year or so, I don't know. There we go, reloaded. Sorry for my barking. Yay, I'm Luxo Reaper. This am I on? I'm the only one here. Jesus Christ, really? What the hell, bro? Let's go. Check the moolah. Give me some moolah, idiots. Give me some moolah. Oh shoot, what the hell happened?
Ay, pwede ito sabihin niya. Batong mo. Ay. Skip mo. Skip mo ito? Oh, alin? Saan niya tumagot?
Yeah, that's good enough.
Anak na yan, di ba?
Oh my god, I saved myself.
Biko. Nagsipa yung isa nito. Yung ano?
Diamond.
Para purpose sa akin. Ay, ba't ka sa office eh?
Get the diamonds. Base. Shoot. Base.
Oh, nakadin ka sa akin yan, te. Magdating pa lang.
Shoot, I died.
Oo, ma. Susuting ko yan.
I haven't played this for so long, I died.
Pero na lang ako sa binyag.
I need moolah, bro. Give me some moolah, idiots. We need some moolah. Farm, bro. I need armor, bro. Oh, wait for armor.
Ako yung pinakabonggang yun.
There we go. Maybe I'll need some wool too. They literally have a literal spear.
Nagkamtin nga.
I need 55 a literal spear. Oh, get a spear. I'm cutting now. Yes, cutting. Yes, I can buy it. Let's go. I have a freaking spear. Let's get killing. Come here, idiotic! Run into war! Run into war, baby! Run into war! Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh shit. Oh! Oh! Jesus Christ. Man. I'll AFK here.
Parang malaki. Malaki ng kotse isa. Gusto ko kasi naman trousers lang, tapos uli yung pagtaas ko. Pero wala lang.
Oh, this is no.
Meron akong puti dito, diba?
Basically, I just keep dying. So, verde. Ooh, I look sweaty. Me want spear again. I want to need spear. I need my spear. Okay. Can do spear. We got the shing shing, brothers. Shing shing.
Ako gusto ko nga yung ano.
Leave it off, brother. We need something. I need burn gift. Oh yeah, I forgot I don't have any more. We need lots of wool. A bunch of wool.
Ito lagay na sa pocket. Dito sila may kurang dito.
Dude, what the hell? Oh, Jesus Christ. Base.
At laki ng ako sa akin female dami. Hindi lang ako umutang masyado. Inutang ko lang.
I got 1 diamond from that. Let's go. At least I killed the big boy.
800 lang naman yung dito.
Oh shoot. Someone had a bird. Oh, fix it, y'all. Oh, fix it. Miss. Oh, shoot. What the hell? Let's get breaking, boys. Shing, baby. Shing. Let's charge. Woo! Like no one taking this. Please don't find out. You. Base. Right now. Oh my god, I just got that kill and I got a bunch of babies, bro. Still got 4 diamonds, bro. Now we can get this armor, bro. Why did I get a sword? I don't need a sword, bro. Don't maddy fatty. Maybe some TNT too. Bunch of TNT. Burning. Bed planings have been removed from our bed. What the hell? Oh.
Tama diba yung bell na baby? Yung pang baby na... Yung pang
But-
baby na...
Oh, there's my spear.
Ayun yung binili ni Robin. Oh, ayun yun. Tama yun.
My spear is the best.
Lalaban pa yung mga punta, gaan, mga kumo.
Maybe a pearl.
Ayun yung
Let's sneak up to their base.
ayun yan. Paano ako mag-aangkas na ito? Nakapit ko. Asa siya din, Jersey ko? Ay, nakalimutan ko. Ay, nadala.
That couldn't be bad.
Mga bra ko yung ilang. Mami ko balik.
I'm ready, bro. I'm ready.
Hindi ko nakikita kasi nawawala pa kayo bralet ko. Green eh. Bralet kong green. Ano yung green? Green, bralet. Green, bralet.